T-Dog Nation, welcome to a brand new monster truck tournament. This is the first ever monster truck rollback tournament. So, which one of these lucky 24 trucks has what it takes to make their way to the Tournament of Kings? But before we race, here is the official T-Dog track walkthrough. So they will start in lanes 1 and 2, 5 and 6, and then they will race down, come here, go up this hill. They have to at least make it past this, and then they will roll their way back down, and the first truck to cross this is your winner. Let's kick off this rollback tournament with Spur of the Moment and the Rainbow Recreational. Go. Recreational, look at this. And he takes it. Oh. Recreational, look at this. And he takes it. Yep, no surprise there. Recreational is your first truck going to the next round. Race number 2, we have the Nitro Nuggets Roger Dodger taking on Haul Y'all. And we do have a slow motion camera, which is actually my iPad. And Roger Dodger will be taking on Recreational in round number 2. Up next, we have SpongeBob versus Rex Explorer. Go. Oh, look at this good race. Rex Explorer. And he takes it. Oh, look at this good race. Rex Explorer. And he takes it. Rex Explorer beats out SpongeBob and has made his way to the next round. Next up, we have LocoPunk taking on Iron Man. Go. Oh, look at this. Oh, we have a wreck. LocoPunk takes it. Oh, look at this. Oh, we have a wreck. LocoPunk takes it. For a second there, I thought that Iron Man had that, but he came off the track, giving the win to LocoPunk. Now, this will be a fantastic race. MegaRex versus the Hot Wheels Corvette. Go. They go up, they're coming back down. MegaRex. Oh. They go up, they're coming back down. MegaRex. No surprise there, because MegaRex has always been a very fast truck, and that's why he has made his way to round number 2. Our next race, we have the Oscar Meyer Wienermobile taking on Race Ace. Let's go. Oh, Race Ace in the lead. They're coming back down. Race Ace takes it. Oh. back down. Race Ace takes it. Race Ace has made his way to the round number 2 and is one step closer to the Tournament of Kings. Next up, we have a battle of the heavyweights. Thanos taking on Bone Shaker. Go. Bone Shaker. Oh, they're neck and neck. Great race. Go. Bone Shaker. Oh, they're neck and neck. Great race. That was one hell of a race between Thanos and the OG Bone Shaker, but Thanos is going to round 2. Our next matchup consists of All Beefed Up and Hot Wheels Special Forces. Alright, I went back to the slow motion camera and I saw that All Beefed Up took it because that was our closest race yet. Our next matchup, we have the Demolition Derby version of Invader versus the Land Rover Defender 90. Let's go. Oh, good race, good race. Oh, good race, good race. That was another super close race. To be honest, I think that it was even closer than All Beefed Up and Hot Wheels Special Forces, but Invader just barely gets his win. Up next, we have Smash Squatch versus One Bad Ghoul. Oh, nice, nice. One Bad Ghoul. Oh, nice, nice. One Bad Ghoul. One Bad Ghoul, he definitely took that race there and is going to round number 2. Next up, we have the Paint Crush version of the 909 versus Necessary Roughness. Let's go. Oh, we have a wreck. The 909 gets his win easily. Oh, we have a wreck. The 909 gets his win easily. We had another wreck from Necessary Roughness, giving the win to the 909. And for our last race of this first round, we have Pure Muscle taking on Gunster. Let's go. Gunster in the lead, goes up. Good race. Go. Gunster in the lead, goes up. Good race. That was another close race, but somehow, someway, Pure Muscle came back at the very last second to get his win. Our first race for the round of 12, we have Recreational versus Roger Dodger. Recreational takes it, but Roger Dodger was coming back fast, but not enough to beat Recreational. Race number 2 for the round of 12, we have Rex Spur taking on LocoPunk. Here we go. Go. Rex Spur had that win the entire time and is going to the round of 6. Race number 3 for this round of 6, we have MegaRex taking on Race Ace. Oh, MegaRex all the way. Oh, MegaRex all the way. And MegaRex has made his way to the round of 6. Race number 4, we have Thanos versus All Beefed Up. Let's launch those gates. Thanos is in the lead. Can All Beefed Up come back? Yes, he can! Launch those gates. Thanos is in the lead. Can All Beefed Up come back? Yes, he can! Man, oh man. Thanos had that win, but then All Beefed Up just came back to make his way to the round of 6. For our second to last race for this round of 6, we have Invader versus One Bad Ghoul. Here we go. One Bad Ghoul in the lead. And he takes it. Here we go. One Bad Ghoul in the lead. And he takes it. One Bad Ghoul has now made his way to the round of 6. And for the last race for this round of 12, we have the 909 versus Pure Muscle. Here we go, let's go. Good race, Pure Muscle in the lead. But 909 takes it. Here we go, let's go. Good race, Pure Muscle in the lead. But 909 takes it. What an absolute shocker. Pure Muscle was in the lead the whole time, but then the 909 just had to take that win away from him. Alright, who is going to the round robin final race? Recreational or Rex Explorer? Recreational? Oh! Recreational? Oh! Man, I thought that Recreational had that, but at the last second, Rex Explorer comes from behind and is in the round robin final race. Next up, we have MegaRex versus All Beefed Up. MegaRex is in the lead. Oh! MegaRex is in the lead. Oh! All right. After watching the footage, All Beefed Up just barely gets his win. The last truck going to the final round is either One Bad Ghoul or the 909. Let's race. Oh, let's race. One Bad Ghoul beats out the 909 and is the final truck in the round robin final race. Alright, here is how the round robin tournament is going to work. We have 3 trucks, Rex Explorer, All Beefed Up, and One Bad Ghoul. So, the loser between Rex Explorer and All Beefed Up will face One Bad Ghoul, and then the winner will face the winner of those two. Before we race, I meant to say the winner of these two takes on One Bad Ghoul, and the loser goes home. Let's go! Oh, good race, good race, good race! Oh, good race, good race, good race! And the winner from that race was Rex Explorer, and he'll take on One Bad Ghoul. This is a one and done. Who is going to the Tournament of Kings? Your winner is... Rex Explorer is... There you have it, T-Dog Nation. Rex Explorer is your monster truck rollback champion and will now join all the other trucks up on the King shelf. That is a wrap, T-Dog Nation. I hope you guys enjoyed this monster truck rollback tournament because this was a ton of fun. So if you could please do me a favor, smash that like button, click that subscribe button, and ring that bell to never miss an upload because we are getting closer to the Tournament of Kings, and I have not figured out a date yet, but I will let you guys know soon. And also, I am racing monster trucks over on TikTok, so I will post that link down in the description. So with that being said, T-Dog out.